Hi everyone, it's Lead Gen Man here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to perform thousands and thousands of cold calls or outbound calls without having any single CRM. All you need to do is have a list of your prospect's phone number, if any dynamic variable that you want to add. For instance, if you want to personalize phone calls by their first name, by their company name, whatever you want in a simple Google Sheet. That's it. That's all you need to do. You don't need to have any CRM solution. So all you need to do is go to Retell AI, click on batch calls. Let us create a new batch call. Let us name this as test, and from which number you want to perform your batch calls. So you can easily buy these phone numbers from Retell AI, as well as you can import them from Twilio by SIP Trunky. So I'm going to use this one and attach the agent that you want to use for performing that batch calls. I will show you. So let us go to phone numbers. Since let's say we will be using this phone number for our batch call, we are using the outbound call agent. So our outbound call agent is real estate agent that we have built. Yeah, so it will use that particular agent. Now let us download the template so that you can easily put all of your prospect phone numbers and any dynamic variables that you want to add. Awesome. Here is our template. This is the phone number where you will put your prospect's phone number. Feel free to put out as many as you want, but mind that the concurrency limit in Retell AI is 20 call per batch. So what will happen is it will perform 20 calls for the first 20 prospect. Then after all of those prospects cold calling is over, it will perform for the next 20. So in batch format. I hope this makes sense. Then we have the dynamic variables. For instance, let us name this dynamic variable as name. We can say Manthan, John, Alex. So since it will be calling this phone number, it will say, "Hi Manthan, how are you?" And if you want to use another dynamic variable, let's say company name, it will say, "Hi Manthan, how's things going at Flux45?" It will say, "Hi John, I'm speaking with the owner of Lead Gen Man." Whatever you want to add as a dynamic variable, and it's not limited to only two dynamic variables. You can add the third, fourth one, whatever you like. Yeah, but that's pretty much it. Put the phone numbers of your prospect here, download it as a CSV file, upload it here. So let us upload our file. Next we have two options. We can start making those phone calls straight away, or we can schedule as per your time zone. For instance, if you want to wait for business hours or 9 to 5 or any kind of Monday to Friday, you can easily schedule them as well. And lastly, we are assuming the average call length to be 5 minutes. And then once you click on send, it will start firing those cold calls or outbound calls. But mind that once you send out this send button, or once you press the send button, you cannot go back and let's say stop this outbound process. So make sure that you are checking on the right hand side that each of this dynamic variable and phone number are in perfect place, so that there is no any mistake while performing this cold outbound calls. That's pretty much it. That's how you can create batch calls or cold calls, like thousands and thousands of cold calls without any CRM solution. Yeah, that's pretty much for this lecture. But if you want to learn and build fully functional and robust AI voice agent, feel free to look at this course. I will put the link in the description section, and you can see more than 13,000 students have already enrolled in this course and are learning and building as well as monetizing this skill of AI voice agent. You can see the reviews. Even I have this new course which is like the incredible course ever on Retell AI as well as on AI voice agent. So I will put this course link in the description section, as well as we have our private school where you get one-on-one access with me. Feel free to ask any question there. So again, I will put the link of school and my courses there. Bye bye, see you, and I hope to see you in one of my courses.